Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Doug. I am the Bearded Outdoorsman. Today we're going to be unboxing our March Nomadik Box. So if you're interested, stay tuned through the intro. Alright guys, so today, like I said, unboxing the March Nomadik Box. Now if you're unfamiliar with Nomadik is a subscription box service where you can sign up for 1, 6, or 12 months. You get those boxes delivered to your mailbox, post office box, whatever, once per month. Now you can sign up for 1 month. It's going to run you about $33. If you stretch it out to 12 months, it's going to drop it down to about $30 per box. They have an ironclad guarantee, meaning if we open this box and there's something in here that's damaged, broken, I already have one, all I got to do is reach out to Nomadik. They'll send me a replacement item free of charge, no questions asked. Well, of course, you have to explain why you're swapping, but really awesome box. Now, they say that each box has like a $50 value. I would tend to argue with that sometimes. There are some months that are a lot better than others. That's very easy to say. But when you sign up, you tell them your shoe size, what kind of cell phone you have, all that kind of jazz, and then they will cater the box a little bit to you if it comes in something with sizes. Really awesome products come in these boxes. So without further ado, let me find my knife and let's get into this. So this month we are going to be using the Bantam from Swiss Army, if it will focus. So this is the Bantam from Swiss Army. I recently did this diamond knot on here. I'll put a card up top, whichever side, and you can go check that video out where I show you how to do that. I also did a review of this knife. I'll put a card up there for that as well. So let's get into this box. So this is the March 2023 Nomadik Box, and let's see what we have. So if things go out of focus on here, I'm trying a new setting. I have a new phone, trying a new setting on it. If you don't like the way it looks, or if you do like the way it looks, either way, drop me a comment below. Let me know about quality. I want the best quality videos that I can put out, and I'm going to look at it in editing, and I'm going to make a decision, but drop it in the comments and let me know your opinion. Is it good? Is it bad? Should I go back to the old system? Whatever, you just let me know. So right off the rip, we have our sticker. We got here, if it'll focus, there's our sticker. And then we have our pamphlet. So our pamphlet's going to tell us, it's got a really cool picture up front and it's got a theme on it. This one is trail hydration. Inside this pamphlet, it opens up. We've got a list and description of all the items in here. Looks like we have 4 items in this box. Got tips that always relate to the theme. We've got a Nomadik challenge. If you sign up for Nomadik, they do have a Nomadik challenge. It's good for 1 month. So this is the March box. So the Nomadik challenge is good until April 30th. 5 winners, and each of those 5 winners get a $50 product bundle. All right, see on the back, we have a link to the website, which I will have a link to Nomadik in the description below. And you have some brand discounts that usually relate to the brands that are in the box. So that's a lot to say, but I try to say it with every video. Let's see what we have in here. I'm gonna get the paper folded. Try not to look. So let's just grab something. All right, so what is this? Infinity tools. 8-inch Infinity tools. Okay, so it's basically like I'm gonna call it like a reusable zip tie. It's rubber. It's got all these holes in it, and then it's got this metal clasp up top that you lock in. Now, it looks like it might be a little tight to get it in there. I got one of them in. Stretch me. Okay, so is that how you do it? I got to figure this out. Okay, there it is. So we got that one in there. So now we've got a loop that's pretty secure. I've never heard of these before. I've never seen these before. And then you pop it off. So we get 2 of these. They're 8 inches. So we'll have to check these out and see what good. On the back it says 70 pound strength. You can use it, it's an adjustable loop. You can use it for a gear tie. You can wear it. You can repair something with it, or it shows on here, sandal heel. Like if you have a flip-flop, you can wrap around and make a heel strap for your flip-flop. I'm not gonna do that, but yeah, gear ties basically. So there we go. All right, what else do we need? What's this? I see something purple. What is this? Simply Balanced Hydration, Ultima Replenisher. Have a couple different packs of water supplement add to for hydration. We keep you hydrated and your taste buds happy. Non-GMO, keto-friendly, sugar-free, free of sugar, carbs, and calories. Add 1 stick pack to 16 ounces of water, shake, and enjoy. So there you go. There's a couple in here. It doesn't tell me how many are in here, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna say probably 6. So we'll test that out. We got 4 things in here. So a cooling neck band. That's great as it's beginning to be summertime. So a cooling neck band, I have seen these before. Usually you soak them or freeze them, and then you wrap them around. It's got something in here. Let's see, does it tell us to soak in cold water for 3 to 5 minutes, remove excess water, and place in the refrigerator for 30 minutes for a greater cooling effect? There you go. So a cooling neck band. It's got a little sponge thing back here, and wrap it around. Keep cool in hot weather. So we have one more thing. What do we have? A Camelback insulated water bottle. Focus. This is Insulated Podium from Camelback. It is one that has no lid. You just squeeze, if you can hear that. You can lock the lid, it looks like. Yep, you can lock the lid, it doesn't come out. And wide mouth, so you can fill it with your favorite water and drink your beverage. I like the way that it has a locking lid. I have seen some bottles similar to this, not Camelback. I've seen some bottles similar to this, they did not lock. So I like that. This is kind of a rubber car mouth gripper, teeth gripper, rubber lid here. So I like that. This is really cool. Water bottle. What all can you say about a water bottle? But it's Camelback, it's insulated, and I like that it's squeezed. 21 ounce Podium. So I'll try to have links to some of these products in the description below, so you can kind of get a price, a little idea of what this box is valued at. Camelback's usually not real cheap, so there's no telling what this one costs, but it's probably, I would say, the most expensive item in the box. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit that thumbs up, and drop me a comment. Just let me know, have you ever heard of Nomadik before me? And yeah, until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.